Tone, so what's up, man?
What's going on with you?
Up here with Tone Peezy, man. Been a while, man. We did that one interview some months back, you know, and a lot of people liked it, man.
I seen that too.
You know what I mean?
I seen that. There's still people that didn't even know I did it. Like, well, I seen it. Now they doing one.
Yeah. So that was a good look, man. I appreciate how you came on there, kept it 100.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Said what you had to say. It was good, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah, thanks for the
love.
love.
Down, man. So what's been up with you?
Shit, I just been trying to recreate myself. You know what I'm saying? Out of the stuff that I did in these neighborhoods, I'm trying to get back to them now.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's what it's about for me.
That's the plan, man. Try to fix what you done fucked up.
Yeah.
Yeah, redemption.
Yeah.
I can feel that. I'm in the same. Find myself in the same place sometimes. You just rebuilding. I mean,
right now I'm like to the point where I'm trying to build an LLC. You know, I really ain't got too much big on it about knowing it, but I'm learning.
Yeah, I think you told me about that last time.
Yeah, so I'm learning.
You doing the LLC. Get a trade. What is it?
See, I've been doing like this roofing stuff for about 10 years. This is my 10th year.
Yeah.
So I really know how to do the business. I really know the ins and outs of it. So if I start it, that's where I'm gonna go for.
Yeah.
Go forth with that. You know what I'm saying? And everything else, like as far as doing stuff for the land. So I know how to do a lot of that stuff, like cutting the grass, or you know what I'm saying, just a lot of stuff, rebuilding houses, or you know what I'm saying, anything like that, you know. And then I'm like to the point where, like, see, in my life I want to be an athlete or something. So I'm trying to get
You
the
be an
kids.
athlete too?
Yeah, I want to be an athlete, bro.
Yeah.
But I messed up because I didn't think about how big I was gonna be there, and wasting my time in the streets. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I wanted like, cause I had skills. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't have the fan base I wanted.
What was your sport?
Play basketball.
You was a baller?
Baller.
Was you cold?
Stupid with it.
Tone Peezy said he was cold with that rock.
Stupid with it.
Stupid.
And I still got it now.
Yeah.
Still got it now. When I come to the court,
yeah,
they coming up there.
They coming up.
When they say Tone P on it, they coming up there. Cause they know I ain't about to play no games with them.
Yeah.
Just give me the ball. We gonna figure it out.
Got that talent, man.
Yeah.
So you been seeing any of those homies, man, that pull up on you?
A lot of them, like, you know what I'm saying, a lot of them. But then I'm like, the ones my age that's out here, I be like, I don't know what they be doing with they selves. They be coming out here creating problems for everybody else.
Yeah.
And they be, I don't know what they be doing, but then they come to me like, I'm like, bro, why should I condone what you doing right now? You ain't right. You know what I'm saying? You gotta, come on, man.
See, I ain't right.
You out here causing drama. I ain't trying to hurt nobody.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to let everybody live.
Nobody need all that drama, man, in their
Right.
life. I just come through here, man. I ride through the town, and I can ride all around. I just be looking for familiar faces and shit.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So it's you know, it's a blessing to be able to still see, you know, no matter what condition, you know what I'm saying, we find each other in, just see some people that I, you know what I'm saying, recognize.
Right.
Because a lot of this shit done changed.
That's like, see, like on that last interview, I was on drugs bad.
Yeah.
I'm not on them like that no more.
You ain't on them like that no more.
Sir.
I can tell the difference.